Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to assign an article to a specific category in Joomla 3.X. Log into your Joomla dashboard. Hover your mouse on the Content tab. Select Categories from the drop-down menu to open Category Manager. We have two categories. One is Uncategorized and the other is Short Stories. None of the articles are assigned to Short Stories category. Two articles are assigned to Uncategorized category. To assign articles to a specific category, hover your mouse on the Content tab. Select Articles from the drop-down menu to open Article Manager. Click on the title of the article to open it. In the right sidebar, click on the drop-down arrow below the Category section. Select your preferred category. Click on Save and Close. That's it. Article is assigned to specific category of your choice. Similarly, you can assign other articles to your preferred category. Now, if you go back to the category manager, you can see both the articles are now assigned to short stories category. Now let us check the front end of the website. Even though we have assigned articles to the category, it won't be displayed on the front end of the website. For that, we have to create a menu item and link that menu item to the category. In our next video, we will show you how to create a menu item in Joomla 3.x. Thank you for watching.